in conversion function, we have two cap, two date, and two number. So, do you names date have dates? So if you have to just see the current date, so you just write this date, do it. This table of Oracle database, we're adding some column which is not in any table. These are all pseudo columns. Row number or just row number. This date. Pseudo columns we have. This column is not from any of the tables. That's dual. Let's say query. This is the date, California time, I guess. Yeah. Right? So how they have any 1, 7 what component? Monday, second, minute, second. Let's start with day number. This is 17. Tell you, hey, I am going to California on 20th. So after California. See, today is 17. Today is 17. Right. So this is basically the value is date of any month. Day of month. So this is 17 here is the 17th day of October. And the month number of any year. So this one is dependent on month, this one dependent on year. And one is dependent on any particular day. Any particular day, the time this is hour. And hour, this is again dependent on, and this is dependent on the second. Correct? So there are we have here, right? PM is not part of it. PM is also part, but you can write in other form, like if you will write here instead of 4. Yeah, so you don't have to write 24 hours time. Correct. Now any form, you know that D and dy and day. To make a guess, what are these? What is D then? And only one current day, like Monday and. Okay. This D. What did he? Just an example.
Day 12.
Correct. So this DD is of month. Like 17th. 17th of any month. Right? And the day is the number of week. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. So these 7 days in a week, day number of month.
Day of the week. Day of the week.
These day number of week. We start from Sunday. That's one. And DDD is day what? Of year. So you have 365 days. What is
it's abbreviation of what day it is, like Monday or so.
correct? So just character of any day number. And what is DAY?
This is a full name.
Correct. What happens? All these are the character value. And we combine all these, then it becomes a date. It means take part of the date from here. So let's do that. Set date.
This is also system day.
Yes.
Correct. It is from the where
This computer date. So do you want here? System from doer. Now cut this from this date. Okay, so that you have 2 char and one here. I want the day number of week. Just D from that second. What? So Monday, right? So 10 date of a week.
So select to select the system date D from do.
So this date, basically date is made up of many components. If one component, you just have to write it what exactly you want to get from here.
So we do, if you put day, it will give you the exact, like today's Sunday, let's say. The result will come down to day.
That is the day. Yeah, DD you mean, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So let's do DD. Cast it to see D if it is coming correct or wrong. So let's see. You got 7 days. Now let's do and make guess. Today's date is which day of the year?
The day of the year. DD.
I got it.
Which day?
But what will be the answer of this DDD? That's what I'm asking.
So this is second. Today is October 17th. So November, December 60 and 13, 73 minus 7, 365. 287. Here we go, sir.
To get close, yes. So at least D, DD, and DDD, it's clear. Yes. DY, right? Y and DAY. Here, Monday, and this is it. You can just write what you write capital Y also. So it will come. Okay. Anything in the date component?
No.
No. Huh? What is that?
Oh, it's very good.
Clear?
Sir, like DDD, like 21. Like get this one. Yeah.
Please. Which not clear? DDD is not clear, Janaki?
Yeah, triple D. Yeah.
Okay. So here, how many days will be there? How many total number of days?
Oh, okay. No. You're breaking, so I cannot hear properly.
Okay, no problem.
Mm-hmm.
Now, our number, let's see the month component, right? So month is what? Any one of you? Month of year, right? And what is it? What is this one? NONTH.
NONTH is the full name,
Correct.
and NON is the abbreviation. Then we began.
Okay, good. Copy this one. So to just like MM and with one more. Use this and then a whole month. How many format will be in year part? Y. Correct. Here itself. And then 2016.
Two formats.
Yes, there is one more format, RR. So let's do little research on RR and then ask the questions. Format RR. RR is based on human sense. So suppose if I tell you 16, it means what it is? 2016 or 1916? And tell 98. 2098 or 1990.
90.
So it works like that.
Oh.
But Y will always check the current century. So I think 98, it will take 2098. Once it will take 2016. But RR, if you suppose 98, it will take 1990. This RR is basically based on the human sense. But use Y or Y. Two. Sometimes we will see RR, but very rare.
So very backward.
Correct. We are done with the date, month, and year part. Upon that, you have for hour you have HH and HS24 or HS12. For minutes, you just have MI. Also, you have SS, and for millisecond also you have MS, nanosecond, NS. Yes. Correct.
So if we have to see the rent date time exactly up to the second,
Correct.
we need to put state with SS12 separately 2024 separately, everything will gonna go separately, then we're gonna get,
whatever component you want to get here, you can get.
not with
Ideally, it will give you, if you just see here, from state till the second part.
up to second.
That's what setting we have done in the database here, not to bring till the nanosecond. But systems like inhibitor, diffs and all, they need to capture till nanosecond. In case you will see till nanosecond. Depend system. You want date 2016 0 just a number, okay? You have to change this one into date. How? Now, right, select to change into date, right? And you have so change number to date. You have to take character. So anytime if you will write any digit within single quote, it becomes character. Okay. And now format you are give this value to the system. What is 2016? Correct. So you have to write the format. And 09 is what?
Month.
And 13.
DD.
You can see it now. Got it?
You said I just want to, when you from do is
It's the Oracle default table.
Oracle. Oh.
Correct. Because we are not selecting the column from anything.
This before the same actually I had it in my, and we are in the date 2016 after then 09 and then 13. The same we are applying on the other side, but the date is coming in a way like
Right.
upside
So
down.
this is the setting we have in database to display date like this.
So
Will be changed.
this can
Yes. This is for displaying purpose. You can change the display mode. Correct. Yes.
Because we put it YMMDD, but it's sure the result is coming the opposite. So it
Okay,
should
so
come
there is
2016.
See.
Yeah.
Unless. Again, this is the syntax. Format. To check on Google one, check LS date format for you. Let's write here M dash DT dash YYY. Check what is the exact syntax. Also written. Date format, right? The same thing I'm writing. Alter session. Okay, this one was missing.
take set out.
You put the E at the end of the.
Form.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I guess. I set it like this, right? Just this query. Okay, so set it at toad level. Try to do on the Oracle editor once. And this is a command line of SQL. Using any third-party tool right now. This is Oracle basic command prompt. So alter session, set, format, equal to MMDD. Right? So let's see state from to. You got like change it now. Alter session.
Underscore date underscore format is equal to.
Let's write MON. Okay. Slash DD slash YY. Let's say state from. So it's based on your how you are trying to display. Relating. It'll just store its data into that data type or display it up to you. Got it? Sometimes user may ask you, okay, I want the date format like MON DDYY. So you can just change it here and get it.
If the user said that, then we go change it in or itself.
Itself or here also, it is a tool setting level. In the code, you will know where to set it. That I want, like with the date format. Set edit to go and check somewhere how to set date format here. You will have to do that. You can do some research. It is in developer and what format they want to get. Okay. So date I changed to date. Now you can get a component. So any of you are ready to reveal your birth date, I can tell you which day it was, Monday, Tuesday, or which day exactly.
1970. Official.
03, 0, or side like this also, 03, 4, 15, 6, 7, 6. Now you have write exactly the same format here. So G what? It's
Day.
Or so 04
Month.
mm y. So change. Now if you could write here ATR, right? Then write here, right? Let's say. Now once you change, you cut any component. Suppose the date part. So if what I did here, how date, month part or D part and all, I just wrote here this date, apply to char date and the format, right? So here, what you did, your whole value is date because you change it to date, right? Now this one you have to apply which function? So to char, what to cut from here? Cut, suppose dy part.
The last part actually.
So this date, from the current date, how you will get the dy? What will write? You write select to char.
Yeah.
Date and which component?
Dy.
Dy. From which dual, right? Monday. So you wrote the current date and dy, the format, what exactly you want to cut it. That's a character value, right? You date, how? Apply to date function, you became, and it became a date. So this one is going to serve as input for to char.
Out this the side.
Yes.
You can say that, right?
Out of this function became the input for this. Got it? First of all, you change this value to date and you apply to char function on date.
Well, I'm just trying to remember mom Monday.
Sometimes once you cook sabji, right? Bhaji. What you boil the potato. It will serve as input for the next process, right?
Mm-hmm.
So boil using as and all this. But what was the step? The potato was the input for boiling it. Yeah. Once you boil it, and then you are going to do apply next process, right? So here, this is your raw potato. to date, you change it to boiled potato now. And potato, you are applying this next frying process. Got it? More example. Okay, so let's do that. Name, one name, uppercase from the value and what a day name on 1st January. 01. Name, and name in uppercase from this value. Can I just write a query? One then try. Let me query. So when you change my format, whatever value I gave you, what change that? Change it, okay, sir? Change to date, but I asked to get the month and name component. I mean, to change my date format, right? You don't have to change it, please. Change to date, but you are taking that component. And keep change the format. It will be almost all, and none of you are almost correct. So first of all, change this value to date, right? Never try to change it by yourself. Why? Because suppose you got 100,000 data, right? 100 and you are going to change and keep writing. No.
Yeah.
You write as it is, whatever format you get the data. So search. First change to date. So date and then the value and y and dd. Do. But what it from here? I get the day name, right? How to get the day name? It's I which I need to get, guys? And you can get only one component. Get the day name. To get day name, by or day, correct? You got it. Now I need to do for month name, so I will copy it again. So I have subject item from Alu, right? I will, and then one item. Then again I'm going to boil the potato and make another item. This to get my name. So am right. So in uppercase you will get the name in uppercase. That's
Also, the reply in one result.
right.
Every one has
Different
so
columns.
just in one box we can get two results.
Now I'm going to give you the last query for this thing. Get number and week number from the date 16 do it and week number. If you want, just get this 10, get one notebook. Get it from there. You will have it there maybe. Just a printer. Just keep that there, and inside the printer you will have a lot of pages.
Hello.
Done, sir? Right?
Just
Month, yeah.
remember.
Change the value to date and get the week number. Week is D, 1D. You can remember like that. In a week, there will be maximum 7, right?
Yeah.
So how many digits we need? Only one. On one, we need 2 digits maximum. Here, we need 3 digits maximum. first date. Good. Format. Oh, that's correct. Good job. Yeah, you got it.
You don't say that, right? So maybe demand level is one number. Or the user for and
Okay. What have you done?
I think it's the reference type. To date, almost 2016, month, which is recorded. Month again to character, to date. 2016, I think for the week,
You have to change first to date, right? Here. When you date, so which format it is? Y, M, def, DD.
yeah, that actually I wrote it there, but I wrote it,
Okay.
and then month, MM.
Right.
To date 2006 October, Y again, then
Okay.
from the
Correct. Users? No? Okay, no. Two and 0, 1, right? 16 I wrote, right? Let me see in the query. So your query is correct, but you took only the month number. You should write the week also.
I don't, week number is I not understood, so I'm not sure.
Ashok. Mute. Okay. So their functions in day last day. So if I select date or last day, yeah, date suppose from dual. So it will be the last date of the month. More month add months. So what you guys can do, go to number 3 and finish it off. Character function, date function, number function, and current function. Null only I have not covered for you yet. Class, I am going to teach you null function and some information. You guys also today?
yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now Bhumika here. Okay, Bhumika, so I will make you the host.